A warm welcome to all the very smart students watching out this video. Today we gonna start one very interesting and important topic of our mathematics syllabus, that is probability. This is very interesting topic, probability. Probability simply means chances of occurring or non-occurring of certain event. Probability simply means chances of occurring or non-occurring of certain events. If we search the meaning of the word probability in dictionary, we will get how likely something is to happen. How likely something is to happen. For example, we are taking this bag. Okay, we are taking this bag and we are putting 5 different color pens into this bag. We are putting 5 different color pens into this bag. Okay, 5 pens we are putting: yellow, blue, red, white and green. Okay, and now we are performing some experiment. We are shuffling it and we are picking out one pen. We are shuffling it and picking out one pen. This is an experiment, and now we want to find out the probability. We want to find out the chances. We want to find out the possibility that green pen would be picked up. Okay, that green pen would be picked up. If we are expressing it in terms of numbers, it would be known as probability. Okay, the process of picking out one pen from this bag is an experiment. It is an random experiment. Okay, it is an random experiment. So random experiment is an action in which all the possible events or all the possible results are known in advance. Okay, so we have put only 5 pens, 5 different color pens. So what would be the outcome? Do we know all the possible outcomes? Yes, we do know all the possible outcomes. Either green pen would be picked up, or blue pen would be picked up, or white pen would be picked up, or red pen would be picked up, or yellow pen would be picked up. Okay, so this is an random experiment. We know all the possible outcomes, but the exact result is not known in advance. Do we know in advance which color pen would be picked up first? Do we know? No, we don't know the exact result in advance. So such an experiment is known as random experiment. So my dear friends, as far as class 10th is concerned, in examination we will get questions on unbiased coins, or 52 cards, a deck of a card, or dice, if we are rolling a dice. So we will see one by one, and simultaneously we will be understanding few terminologies as well. Okay, so first of all, we are taking up the example of tossing a coin. Which kind of a coin? Unbiased coin. Either head or tail. Sir, do we have biased coin as well? Yes, my dear friends. In that movie Sholay, Amitabh Bachchan used to throw a coin, toss a coin, and it used to be heads always. Okay, so it was a biased coin. But in examination we are talking about unbiased coin. It means probability of head and tails is equal. So if we are tossing a coin, this is known as experiment. Tossing a coin is an random experiment. And what would be the outcomes? Outcomes are either head or tail. Okay, if we are tossing a coin, we know the possible outcome, either head or tail. So these are the possible outcome. Suppose and if we are writing it in this manner, head, tails, this is known as sample. Sample set of tossing a coin is all the possible outcomes. What are the possible outcomes? Either head will come or tails will come. So this is the sample set. Okay, and if we mention it like this, the number of sample, how many outcomes are possible? 1 and 2. Either head will come or tails will come. So the ns would be 2. Number of possible outcomes would be 2. Okay, So if we want to find out the probability of head, if we want to find out the probability of getting head, how we will express? We will express is like this: probability in bracket getting a head. Okay, probability of getting a head. So what is the formula for calculating the probability? The formula for calculating the probability is very simple: number of favorable outcomes, number of favorable outcomes. I hope you guys are writing it along with me. Number of favorable outcomes upon number of possible outcomes, upon number of possible outcomes, number of possible outcomes. Okay, so what is the number of possible outcomes? Either head will come or tail will come. So the number of possible outcome is 2. So in denominator we will have 2. In denominator we will have 2. And what is the number of favorable outcomes? Favorable. What would be favorable for us? Heads. Heads would be favorable for us. So either head will come or tails will come. So in the sample set, head is coming only once. So the number of favorable outcome is 1. So the probability of getting a head would be 1 by 2, that is 0.5. Probability of getting a head would be 1 by 2, that is 5. Okay, so can we say probability would be in the range of 0 to 1? Yes, sir. Probability would always be in the range of 0 to 1. Probability, the answer of probability would always be in the range of 0 to 1. Okay, that's it.